Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Difitria Oktaviani, which name 2003007 from the Mathematics Study Program Padang State University and absen number 06. Okay, here I will review a product that becomes my daily friends, namely is Wardah Nature Daily Cleansing Micellar Water. Well, Wardah Nature Daily Micellar Water is new product from Wardah, suitable for those of you who have black spots and acne scars because micellar water is able to moisturize without giving an oily impression on your face. And for the packaging itself, Wardah Nature Daily Micellar Water is long, round, and green tube. This micellar water flip tube is quite safe and hygienic and has micellar water Wardah. The price is also affordable, only 30 rupiah for this big one. And there are also bigger size depending on your needs. For its texture, micellar water is generally light and the liquid is clear and not sticky. When applied directly to the face of Wardah Nature Daily, it absorbs faster. Wardah Nature Daily contains balancing sweet plus cucumber extra, multi-action formula, and bio-cleansing active. For to use Wardah micellar water, pour the micellar water and a tissue or cotton pad. Then wipe the face you want to clean. My eyes. What's unique about the Wardah micellar water is that I just need to be reasonably kind. This is what distinguishes Wardah micellar water from other products. Wrongly rubbed into the face feels fresher, supple, and not sticky at all. And this product is suitable for cleaning makeup. This micellar water can be used before using night cream and before going to bed. And for those of you who are confused about finding a suitable and good micellar water, you can try this micellar water Nature Daily. Guys, that's all my review. Hope it's useful and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.